The name of these vegetables is porcelain. I don't know if I pronounce correct. Sorry for my pronunciation. And in Tagalog, they call it ulasiman. In our dialect Ilocano is ngalog. So this kind of vegetables, this can be come out during this season, summer, especially here in our place, in our village, and so many coming out this kind of vegetables in field. So I get this one in our field in where we plant this corn. So I will read what are the benefits, so many benefits for our health, this kind of vegetables. And this kind of vegetable is you can prepare or you can cook as side dish, and so tasty and easy to cook also, and you can prepare also salad. I have video for this cooking show for this kind of vegetables. So I will read the health benefits of these vegetables. Porcelain offers variety of health benefits, a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain functions, and also rich in vitamin A and C, as well as minerals like magnesium and potassium. Cardiovascular health can lower bad cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart diseases and stroke. Also reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It's also benefits for bones, for bone benefits for porcelain maintains strong bones and teeth, helping to prevent osteoporosis and age-related bone loss. Porcelain good source of fiber, which acids in digestion promotes bowel movements and help weight management. Porcelain lower blood sugar levels with type 2 diabetes. Also improve pulmonary function individuals with asthma. So try to if you find this kind of vegetables, you can cook this one as side dish. So don't be afraid. This is you can cook this kind of vegetables. So I tried this one to cook already, and so tasty. And I think in other countries they can find this one in supermarket. And one of my friend there in Germany, she said that they are buying this one kind of vegetables in supermarket, but I don't know the price of this one. In Philippines, I think so some knows this kind of vegetables, and this kind of vegetables in Philippines. This kind of vegetables are, I think they give these vegetables in yung ano alaga ng mga baboy. Sorry for that this animal, because you know this animal is uh, haram in Islam. So you can eat this one. And this kind of vegetables is similar to fenugreek, but this is not fenugreek. This is porcelain, because fenugreek leaves we can plant this one, but this one come by self. This kind of, but this look like similar fenugreek. So this is not fenugreek leaves. This is porcelain, and also similar. Also this one to what we call this one in Philippines, papaitan. This is look like also papaitan, but this is not papaitan, because here in Pakistan, in our village, no, there is no papaitan here. Fenugreek, we have lots of fenugreek during season, and we have also plants, too much plants of fenugreek. But this one, if you cook a little bit sour, because I think when I cook this porcelain, I put tomatoes. So I will try also not to put tomatoes. But maybe this kind of vegetables is like natural sour taste. But I will try also to cook now without tomatoes. So try to eat this one. You can cook also and serve as side dish or salad. Question: is it safe to eat porcelain every day? Yes, you can, but careful the source and amount. Eat only small amount of it. It has nutritional value but contains also oxalic acid can affect your kidney in high amounts. So just only a little small amount. And also porcelain helps fight cancer, eye vision health, liver health. So you can cook maybe in 1 week like that one time. And then because this is not all season to find this kind of vegetables. So to be safe, just only eat and cook in 1 week, one time like that. For more information, you can search what are the benefits of this porcelain, but I write only the summary of this benefits of this kind of vegetables. So this is good also for having this gastric or acid. So this is good for me because I have also this gastric acidity, and this is good also for to eat this kind of vegetables, and also this is good also for diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and bones and teeth. And what are benefits more, so you can search what are the benefits more this one, so you can know the benefits of these vegetables.